Hey guys, welcome back. So today is another vlog. So today I just filmed a makeup look and you will see this makeup look posted on my YouTube channel super soon, and if it's already posted I'll post a link down below so you can click. If this makeup look is already on my channel, I will post a link down below so you can click and watch that, because I always get questions about like what lashes I'm wearing, what is my lipstick and all that. Also, I'm wearing a liner for the first time and it didn't really come out that good, but if you know me, I never wear liner. I suck at that, and if you're a dumbass like me, you should watch that tutorial so you know how I did my liner. Oh my god, look at my face. You can only see my nose highlight. This is so fucking creepy. Okay, this is honestly a look. It's just my cheeks, my chin and my forehead. I'm just gonna brighten this up. Yeah, that's better. But I'm just waiting for a bit because I have to pick Milrina up. We're going out to eat food and shop some stuff. Let me know what liner do you guys recommend. So I want to go buy one. The one that I'm going to go first purchase is the NYX matte liner that everyone seems to like. So I'm going to get that first, and I just want to pick up some concealers and foundations. So yeah, let's see how that works out. So in my parking lot, there's apparently this car that was in front of me, so I had to like go out and tell the security guard to move the car in the front because my car is like stuck. My car is like sandwiched between two cars. I'm just gonna put some music and we're going to chill. So I actually want to get this concealer. It's the Kat Von D concealer. That is the only concealer in my life that I've used the whole tube up because of the shade. It's such a pretty concealer, but I'm too broke and my dumbass does not want to spend money on getting another one because it's very expensive. So a day back, I think it was 2 days back or yesterday, I don't remember, but I had university and I got my first ticket, like parking ticket. And I was shattered, you guys. I know how stupid this sounds, like stupid, so stupid, but I was so sad when I got my first ticket. So the teacher was so rude, you guys. The teacher was so mean. Like the class gets over at 1:30 and she let us go at like 1:35 or something. And even though like you might think, okay, that's just 5 minutes, it doesn't even matter, blah blah blah, but like when you're putting parking ticket for 3 hours, like I put it at 10:30, so 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1 freaking 30, okay? So if I'm putting it at 10:30, it expires at 1:30. I need to be at my car, in my car, at 1:30. Okay, so 1:35 doesn't make sense, and I was just like so nervous, and I was just thinking, what if I get a ticket though? What if I get a ticket? And I got a ticket. So I'm like running for my ass. I come to my car and I see the checker, the police inspector. He's like in front of my car. He literally puts, can you like give me way? You're driving a fucking Honda. No one gives a fuck about you. He has a Hyundai? Shit. Honda? I don't know. It's one of these stupid cars. And he's like not giving me way. Like he's driving a fucking Lamborghini. Like we get it. Like fucking weirdo. I would have like crashed. Anyway, I see the inspector. He's like right in front of me. Right in front of my car. He has a car, he has his own car, so he gets out of his car and he puts a fucking ticket on my car and he gets back. I saw all of it happen. And I'm like, no! Yeah, I got a ticket, and you guys, I don't know if I should really say this because it's so cringy and so embarrassing, but I cried. You can unsubscribe. I cried because I got a parking ticket. Once upon a time, when it was the time of the month for me, my dad just said, can you please close the door, in like a loud voice, like in a loud tone. And I was so offended because my dad said that, like he told me to close the door. Wow, I was this offended that I started crying, and I didn't talk to my dad for a week. So it was the time of the month, and when I got a ticket, I was like, I started crying in front of him, and he's like, are you okay? And I'm like, he was an Arab inspector and he was so fucking sweet though. He was so nice. Like he looked scary, but he was so nice. He's like, are you okay? I'm so sorry, but like there's nothing I can do. I cannot like take the ticket back. I was 2 minutes late. Like if I was an hour late, 2 hours late, 45 minutes late, I get it, but I was literally 2 minutes late, but they wouldn't excuse that. Like that's the thing with Dubai that I really like, by the way. Like, you know, the best thing about Dubai is that they do not excuse you no matter what. Even though it's a small thing, it's a big thing, they do not excuse you, and that's really good because that's why the city is so safe. Like I can walk in the city at 3 in the night and I know I would not be kidnapped, and even if I do get kidnapped, I know the cops will catch them. I was just so sad glad that I got a ticket. And usually parking tickets are around like 250 to 200 bucks, 200 dirhams. So that's like, I don't know, 30, 40, $50. And my ticket was only 100 bucks. It was just 100 bucks. That's like $25, which is not that bad. I saw the ticket and I'm like, oh, it's just $100 ticket, 100 dirham ticket. So that's like nothing. And I'm like, what? My mom was chill. She was just like, okay, it's just 100 bucks. That's like nothing. I can't believe I cried. But anyway, I am trying my best to reach before the sun sets so I can take good pictures. My makeup is freaking pretty right now and I have no pictures yet. So I'm like speeding so I get myself a bomb picture. So we just switched places so that she could be the one driving and I could take like good pictures. And I don't want to get copyright, sweetie.
You won't.
No. Anyway, so we're going to go to a mall now. Can I drive now?
Oh, you want to?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like I got done with the pictures. What are you looking at? Look like Shrek's twin brother. Like, can you stop? So I've taken so many bomb pictures. Like, can you see this? Look at me, I'm so narcissistic. But I took so many bomb pictures. And like the sunlight's right here, so I got like bomb golden hour pictures. God, like I think we yelled at like at least 17 people today.
I flipped off one guy.
Yeah, like I'm just so tired of men. The guy next to me who's parked the car, he just opens the door like boom, and I'm like, I don't want to go to jail, but I'm gonna kill him. I open the door and I'm like, you saw my face? I open the door and I'm like, I'm so sorry, I didn't, I'm so sorry. There's no scratch, I promise you there's no scratch. And I'm like, I don't care if there's a scratch. Do you open your door like that? Do you do that to like bang people's car? No wonder, like dude, the sides of my car, there's literally like paint scratched off, and like other vehicles paint is on my fucking car. Like great, good job. But yeah, I actually want to see if there's a scratch because like the way he banged on it. Can I bang on him? Will I go to jail?
I mean, you can try.
I really can't see anything. Okay, let's switch.
Okay.
Yo, Again, I yelled at an idiot. He looks like Phineas and Ferb, both of them. Did you see them?
What is Phineas and Ferb doing here?
I don't know. Okay, I'm like, I can't reach.
You will have to adjust everything.
It's okay. Come, sit on my face. You guys, they look at you like, I don't know what is going on. Like, am I like, what is wrong with me? I'm fine. Like, bitch, my tits are covered. Like, what do you want from me? Look at that, like, look at him, yeah, look at this guy, he's so fucking decent, he didn't even flinch, he wasn't even looking at us. You guys, there's a group of guys walking and it's just like one out of like 500 of them just stop and they look at you like this.
Some of them aren't even like trying to be, you know, subtle.